Hello, Ocean View students, it's Miss Silas. I am here today in my office and I'm going to be counting the Skittles from the estimation jar at Family Math Night. Before I get started, I want to tell you the range of guesses. So the lowest guess that we had was 30 Skittles and the highest guess that we had was 20,000 Skittles. So it's somewhere in between there. I'm really sure about it. I'm going to tell you how I think about estimating these before I count them. So what I usually will do is if I have a cylinder like this, I look at the bottom. Now, I hope you guys had a chance to look at the bottom. I know we asked you to keep them on the tray, but I hope that you were able to keep them on the tray and look at the bottom. And if you weren't, I'm so sorry. So I look at the bottom and I can count those, right? So I'm gonna do that. There's a tape here, so I can't count everything, but I can kind of imagine underneath. If I just count the red ones, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red ones there. And I know that there's red, yellow, green, orange, and purple. That's 5, right? So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, that would be 25. So I think there's maybe about 25 here, but let's count because we can to confirm. Okay, so I'm gonna try and count by twos to make it a little faster for myself, because in math, we wanna be as efficient as we can, which means we don't wanna waste too much time on stuff. And I know when I count by twos, it goes faster than when I count by ones. Okay, so here we go. 2, 4, 6, I'm gonna count that as 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. And maybe there's like 2 more that I can't see. So let's just say there's 24. Okay, so 24, and I thought there were 25. My guess was pretty good just counting the red ones and then saying there's that many of all of the colors. So 24. I'm actually going to make it 25 because that's an easier number. And in math, especially with estimation, we want to be dealing with the easiest numbers possible, right? Okay, so here we go. I'm going to count now. If there's 25 on one layer, I want to see how many layers there are. So I think there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers. 6 layers. So 6 layers of 25 is going to be my estimate. Now, how would I count 25 6 times? Well, you know what? I can think of 25 as like a quarter, right? A quarter helps me think of 25. So 25, I know there are four quarters and 100 or $1. So let's see, 25 and then 25, 2 quarters, that's 50, and 3 quarters, that's 75, and 4 quarters, that's 100 or $1, and I want to have 6. So let's see, 1 more quarter, so 5 quarters would be 125, and 6 quarters would be 150. So I think there are 150 Skittles in here. It would be crazy if there were exactly 150 because that's such an even number. So I'm going to say 150. I'm going to say 149. That's what I think. All right. Are you guys ready to count them with me? Here we go. I'm going to turn this down and you will see right here, I have a tool that is very, very useful, which is a 10 frame, right? And 10 frames really help us to see and organize our counting. So I'm going to open this up, okay? And I'm going to put my glove on. Oh my gosh, you know what? There is a tiny ant that made it into the jar, but I'm going to get rid of that little ant. Oh my gosh, little ant. It's not alive anymore. Goodness. Okay, that's all right. Everybody loves Skittles. I understand. Okay, I'm going to scoot these down a little bit. You'll see that these pages are double 10 frames, okay? Double 10 frames have 10 and 10 more. That is 20, and those are really, really useful for counting. Okay, so I'm going to just start laying them out on the 10 frames. So here we go. 1. You know what? I'm going to put this glove on too. I put gloves on. Oh no. All right, 1 Skittle fell on the floor. We're gonna still count it, but I'm not gonna put it back in the jar. Okay, we're just doing this in real time, guys. Let's see if we can I don't want any more to fall on the floor. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna move these tiny bit. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, there's 20 right there. And move that back. I'm gonna move this up so you can see it. Okay, and how many do we think is gonna be here? There's, let's see. There's 10, 20. Okay, and bump it. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, we have 40 here. Let's see, can we see them all? Ooh. Okay, I just don't want them to fall off the table. Okay, let's see. So we said 40. How do we start from 40? What if we lost count? Do we need to start all over again? No, we can say 10, 20, 30, 40. And let's start from 40. 40, 41, 42. I'm gonna count by twos now. Does that sound good? 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60. Now, should I get fancy now and count by fives? Okay, so that's 60 if I lost count. Good thing I have them on the 10 frames. That helps me organize them. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then, let's see, we're just going to lay out 5 right here. Let's see. 60, 65 comes next when we're counting by fives. 70, right? 75. 80. Okay, so I have 80 Skittles there. I'm gonna move these over and back a little bit so that I can make space. I have one more double 10 frame here, okay? And I know that if I take 20 more, let's see, 80 plus 20 more, let's count by 10 more, 80, 90, 100. Okay, there's gonna be 100 there. So let's just lay these out and see if we have 100 Skittles. I think we might. I definitely think we might. I'm gonna put this here so you can see how many more are left. Okay. Just to double check, I'm gonna go back here to my 80 and I'm gonna count by fives. Okay, so 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, we have 100 Skittles. Now what I'm gonna do is I am going to put these onto a tray because I don't have more 10 frames and I don't want them to go rolling anywhere. I don't want anything to happen to them. We know that we have 100 Skittles on our tray. Ah! Oh no, I lost 2 more Skittles to the floor, but they were already counted. So I'm so sorry. I'm trying. All right, let's see. We have another 10 frame here. We were at 100, okay? 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Okay. I think I said 149. I think my estimation is going to be a little high. 100. Let's see, we're at 110, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Okay. Let's keep on going here. 121, 100. Oh, let's bump it so we can remember that number. 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138. So 138 Skittles in the estimation jar. I'm going to take these off and I'm going to talk to you guys again. So my estimation was 149. There were 138. Is that right? I just want to make sure. Yes, we had 100. And then we had 110, 120, 130, and 138. So there were 138 Skittles in the jar. And now I get to look and see who got the closest to that. Thanks for counting with me. Bye.